Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. Today, let's see about the basic definition of a voltage or potential difference. In this picture, it shows the water flows from higher potential to the lower potential. Similarly, the current in the circuit will flow from the higher potential to the lower potential. The difference between these two potential is termed as a potential difference, or this potential can also be termed as a force that pushes the electrons towards the lower potential. Now let's see the brief definition of a voltage or potential difference. EM stands for electromotive force. This electrical potential can also be termed as potential difference or voltage. Voltage is defined as a energy required or work done by a charge to move from one point to another point or from one terminal to another terminal. Potential difference or voltage is defined as a energy required or work done to move a charge from one point to another point. So the expression of potential difference or voltage or electrical potential would be V is equal to work done or energy required divided by the charge. Okay, it can be represented as work done by a charge or energy required to move a charge. Both are same. The unit of potential difference is volt and the unit of work and the energy is joules and the unit of charge is coulomb. So the unit of potential difference can be joules per coulomb or it can be of voltage. What is a potential difference? How this potential difference occur? For example, we can take in an hydraulic system that the water will flow from higher pressure to the lower pressure region, right, through a pipe. Similarly, in electricity also, due to this potential difference, the current will flow from higher potential to the lower potential region. These two potentials are denoted by positive potential and negative potential. This is the potential difference representation between two terminal potential difference. These two terminals are connected in an electrical circuit where here we can connect a load. So that due to this potential difference, the flow of current or flow of charges will be from positive terminal to negative terminal, that is from high potential to low potential point. Now let's see about EMF, the electromotive force. It is defined as a force that requires to pushes a current throughout the entire circuit. EMF is also defined as a potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell when there is no current flowing through the circuit. It is a maximum potential difference when no current is flowing. EMF can also be defined as a source that supplies current through the entire circuits. The elements that act as a EMF are battery cells and generators. These are the elements that would supply the current to the entire circuit. Let's see the difference between the voltage and the EMF. EMF is the source that supplies a current to the entire circuit, where potential difference or voltage is measured between any two terminals. See, when the EMF supplies a current, this current flows through the terminals of the resistance A and B. So due to the current, there may be a potential difference between those terminals. So voltage can be measured between any two terminals in the circuit where EMF is a source that present in the circuit that supplies the entire circuit. Voltage or potential difference is measured in between the two terminals. So potential difference depends upon the resistance that present in the circuit. Since the voltage has been measured in the terminals of A and B, so the voltage depends upon the resistance also. Where in the case of the EMF, EMF is independent of the element that present in the circuit. Okay, but the voltage or potential difference depends upon the element that present in the circuit. It can also be said as EMF act like a pump that pushes the current through the entire circuit, so that current causes a potential difference in the element that present in the circuits. But both the EMF and voltage are measured in volts only. I hope you understood the concept of voltage and EMF. Thanks for watching the video.